The new AI supercomputer by Tesla is one of a kind. The Tesla Dojo is different from most of the other supercomputers on the market now. But what sets it apart from the rest are its speed and complexity. Model S, Model X, Model Y, Cybertruck. These are some of the common names that come to mind whenever Tesla is mentioned. Even though Elon Musk has on several occasions hinted at the possibility of a supercomputer, the focus was not on that. But now, Tesla's supercomputer is changing the perspective people have when it comes to supercomputers and their functionality. With so many other supercomputers already existing in the system, you might be wondering how the Tesla Dojo supercomputer is going to compare to them and take over the world. In this video, we will take a look at the Tesla AI supercomputer and how it is taking over the world. Welcome to Inception AI. Like and subscribe for more. Elon Musk is known for being one of the people who often causes problems and shocks. If you follow him closely, you will realize that for the past few years, he has been hinting at the possibility of a supercomputer at Tesla. In 2019, at the Tesla Autonomy Day, he said that, "We do have a major program at Tesla, which we don't have enough time to talk about today, called Dojo. That's a super powerful training computer. The goal of Dojo is to be able to take in vast amounts of data, train at a video level, and do unsupervised massive training of vast amounts of video with the Dojo program, or Dojo computer." Even before the project's official announcement, Elon Musk used Twitter to recruit people to work on it. In a tweet on August 14, 2020, he wrote, "Tesla is developing an end-to-end training computer called Dojo to process truly vast amounts of video data. It's a beast. Please consider joining our AI or computer/chip teams if this sounds interesting." The question of what the name stands for has been raised by many people on the internet. The phrase dojo in Japanese means place of the way. This term is often used for a place to practice meditation or martial arts. In relation to Tesla and what they do, the Dojo supercomputer is a place to test Tesla's full self-driving AI. The Dojo supercomputer was officially announced at the 2021 edition of Tesla AI Day. Right after the announcement, the supercomputer was ranked as the 5th most powerful supercomputer in the whole world. The Dojo supercomputer is meant to help Tesla take over the markets for self-driving cars and electric cars. At the time of the launch of the Tesla Dojo, Tesla was already using a large NVIDIA GPU-based supercomputer, which is one of the most powerful in the world. But the introduction of the Dojo meant new developments by Tesla, including the architecture. The Dojo Specs. In August 2022, Tesla updated the whole world on the progress they had made since the announcement of the project in August 2021. They made sure that the change from a chip and tile to a system tray and a full cabin had gone well. Tesla claims that it can replace 6 GPU boxes with a single Dojo tile that costs less than 1 GPU box. Each tray contains 6 of those tiles. Among the many specs, the hot ones are 720 nodes of 8x 180 GB, 5760 GPUs total, 1.8 EFOPS, 720 nodes, *312 DFO BSFP16, a 100 *8 PU/nodes, 10 PB of hot tier NVMe storage at 1.6 TB, 640 taps of total switching capacity. The system tray. The system tray of the Dojo has high-speed connectivity. At 52 VDC, the power, mechanical, and thermal modules have a combined capacity of 2000 A. It also has a dense integration with 75 mm of height to support 135 kilograms. The host interface. Tesla is putting its host interface right into the system tray to make a big full host assembly. The user applications are x86 Linux environments and users' scheduled 8-bit jobs. There are 512 total x86 cores, 8 TB of memory, and a 640 GB flash PCIe bandwidth. From the start, the engineers knew that all aspects of the data center infrastructure had to be re-examined in order to support the cooling density. Speaking at the Tesla AI Day, the principal system engineer for Dojo, Bill Chong, said these words, "We knew that we had to re-examine every aspect of the data center infrastructure in order to support our unprecedented cooling and power density." He added that earlier this year, we started load testing our power and cooling infrastructure, and we were able to push it over 2 MW before we tripped our substation and got a call from the city. Does Tesla need the Dojo supercomputer? It is worth noting that Tesla was already using some of the top-notch supercomputers, and this made people question whether the development of the Dojo supercomputer was necessary. What even confuses most people is how an automobile maker is building the most powerful supercomputer in the world. Tesla as a company does not see itself as just an automobile company, but as a technology company focused on developing products to expedite the shift to a more sustainable economy. The CEO, Elon Musk, believes it makes sense to offer a dojo as a service, possibly to compete with his friend Jeff Bezos' Amazon Web Services, and describes it as a service that you can use that's available online, where you can train your models way faster and for less money. Apart from using it as a service, the main reason Tesla needs Dojo is to train the neural nets by auto-labeling training videos. Since training the neural nets they gather from the fleet of cars requires a lot of computing power, the Dojo was created to deliver that power. For now, this is the main reason why the Dojo supercomputer was developed. But as time goes on, there may be a need for pivoting. But as and when that comes, it will be properly addressed. How Tesla's AI supercomputer is taking over the world. The Dojo B1 chip, which is at the heart of the design, has amazing bandwidth and processing power. Tesla found that existing computer platforms weren't enough to help them solve their main problem, which was to make self-driving cars by training huge neural networks. They also hinted that they might give Dojo to other people who are working on AI in the near future. There is also some debate about how Dojo is calculated. According to the top 500 list, which is updated twice a year, Fugaku and Cove, Japan, is the world's fastest supercomputer with a demonstrated 442 petaFLOPS. It is widely believed that Fugaku is just getting started and could reach more than an exaflop in its current configuration. This is 3 times faster than the number 2 entrant, Summit, from Tennessee's Oak Ridge Laboratory, which has a top speed of 149 petaFLOPS. Dojo would be ranked 6, with 68.75 petaFLOPS, approximately. Because the next 3 supercomputers are so close in terms of performance, 61.4 to 64.59 petaFLOPS, Dojo could be in 7th, 8th, or even 9th place. Tesla's AI supercomputer Dojo has made its mark as one of the most powerful supercomputers in the world. Even more interesting is the fact that the Dojo was made while Tesla worked on other projects. If they were solely concentrating on the Dojo, it could have gained a higher rank. Nevertheless, the Dojo is something that is taking over the world. How do you see the Tesla AI supercomputer? Would you love to lay your hands on it? Share your thoughts in the comments section below and like and subscribe for more related content.